Hello everyone, I am the teacher to this question. Let me explain the question to you now. The question says that without actual division, show that 11 is a factor of the following number, which is 1111. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में एक नंबर दिया गया है 1111 और हमें ये शो करना है कि 11 उसका फैक्टर है। तो चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लिख लेते हैं हमें गिवन क्या है, एक नंबर दैट इज 1111 एंड हमें क्या शो करना है दैट 11 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 1111. सो टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन सबसे पहली चीज जो हमें पता होनी चाहिए दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ फैक्टर. सो अ फैक्टर is an exact divisor of a number. नेक्स्ट चीज, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे चेक कर रहे हैं विदाउट एक्चुअल डिविजन, सो वील यूज द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल. सो द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 11, according to the divisibility rule of 11, if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places is 0, then the number is divisible by 11. So हमें यहाँ पे जो नंबर दिया गया है that is 1111, अब हमें उसके लिए पहले यही चीज चेक करनी पड़ेगी. So for the number that is given to us according to the question is 1111. इस नंबर के लिए the sum of digits at odd places is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and the sum of digits at even places is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So clearly अगर हम difference लेंगे, so difference will be equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, which means that the number is divisible by 11. Since the difference of the sum of digits at odd place and even place is 0. So therefore we have established that the number 1111 is divisible by 11. चलिए अब हम फाइनल आंसर लिख लेते हैं that therefore the number 1111 is divisible by 11, hence proved. तो हमने यहाँ पे divisibility by 11 यूज किया है to show that it is divisible by 11. Since the difference, according to the divisibility rule of 11, since the difference between the sum of digits at even and odd places is 0, so that is why it is divisible by 11. I hope that the explanation to this question is clear to you, and so is the divisibility rule of 11. That's all the explanation for this question. Thank you.